How to install Konica Minolta printer driver on Windows 10/11 Step 1. Identify your printer model. Check the exact model number of your Konica Minolta printer, e.g. BizHub C3350, Magicolor 1690 MNF, etc. Step 2. Download the driver. Go to the official Konica Minolta support website, https://www.konicaminolta.com. Navigate to Support and Downloads, Drivers and Software. Enter your printer model and select your operating system, Windows 10 or 11. Download the latest printer driver package available. Step 3. Prepare for installation. If your printer is connected, disconnect it temporarily, USB or network. Close all other applications. Step 4. Install the driver. Run the downloaded driver setup file, usually a.x. Follow the on-screen prompts. Accept license agreements. Choose installation type, typical or custom. Select connection type, USB or network, Wi-Fi. If prompted, connect the printer to the computer when instructed. Step 5. Add printer, if necessary. After installation, if the printer is not automatically added, go to Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners. Click Add a printer or scanner. Select your Konica Minolta printer from the list. Step 6. Print test page. Print a test page to confirm the driver and printer are working properly. Tips. Always download drivers from the official Konica Minolta website to avoid malware. If using a network printer, make sure your PC and printer are on the same network. Restart your PC after installation if the printer is not recognized. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.